Do you love to cheat the system? Well, then this is the video for you. Hey, what is going on, everyone? Devin can up here with another video providing massive value and fire content like always. And so if you guys like today's video, join the fam, join the game by hitting the nice looking subscribe button down below. Also, if you guys like today's video, please drop a like. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking with you guys about how to cheat the system and basically do real estate wholesaling without having to do like all the work of trying to find motivated sellers or like having to go out there and drive around and send out postcards and all of that fun stuff. Anyways, so what I'm going to be talking about is basically how to joint venture on deals and basically take other people's deals and leverage them and basically do your own deals without having to do all this marketing and whatnot. All you have to do is find the buyers, which honestly, buyers come a dime a dozen. So imagine if you just spent all of your time trying to find cash buyers and just had this huge national like cash buyers list of basically thousands of buyers in every city, little corner of the earth, even maybe some small town in, I don't know, Kansas. And from there, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be the idol, the superstar, the coolest guy ever when it comes to real estate wholesaling. And why? Because all of these newbies are coming across deals, but they made the mistake of not building a cash buyers list, or they don't have people to send their deals to. And so if you have no idea what I'm talking about. If you're lost right now, I made a lot of other videos about it. If you want to know what real estate wholesaling is, there's a video down below. But anyways, so how are we going to do this at this point? Now, what you got to do is basically just spend all of your time into finding cash buyers. I know that's very counterintuitive because the money in this business is finding the discounted properties. But if you stick with it, there's a lot of money to be made. So basically what I recommend is building up your cash buyers list. How do you do this without having to go to all these local investor groups in every city of the country? Basically what you got to do is just go online. What you got to do is you just got to do the age-old marketing tactics of doing landing pages and lead opt-ins and all that type of stuff, and basically just marketing it in all these different Facebook groups and hitting up all these different people in all of these different areas. So what that consists of is what I would do if I were you guys is I would go on some sort of like emailing platform like MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact, or Market Hero. I don't know. There's a lot of different website, email, automation, or deals. Basically what you got to do is create a form on there and have them go to a subscriber list. And what you can do is you can even be more specific and you can put like different tags on people. It'd be like, oh, if this person's from Texas, then it goes to the Texas tag. And what you can do is just build up this huge cash buyers list, get tens of thousands of buyers on it, and market it everywhere inside of Facebook groups. This part's super simple. What you gotta do is just join a Facebook groups in each local county or whatever in every county in the country. And what you do is just say, hey, I come across deeply discounted properties all the time. If you're interested, click this link below. Or hit me up with, send me a message. And so these are going to be groups of like maybe 1,000 people maximum. Maybe if you're in a busier area like LA, Phoenix, Texas, like Houston, Miami, New York. All these places, there's going to be probably way more people inside of it. But basically what you're going to do is post it inside of there. And then all these people are going to be like, oh yeah, sure, I'll join the list. Maybe they'll tell you exactly what they want. And what you do is you just keep a whole subscriber list, keep notes on everybody. So you're going to spend all your time building up these cash buyers. And what you're going to do is you're going to start going on the other Facebook groups of real estate wholesalers, and there's a lot of different deal groups. What you're going to do is you're going to jump inside of there, and you're going to join the groups, and then you're going to be like, hey, is anybody trying to sell a property? You probably won't even have to say that because everybody just posts their deals, and it's kind of annoying. But basically, you're just going to find these deals, hit up the people, ask for the details, and from there, just send off the deals to the cash buyers list and pray, basically. Have them basically create like a good marketing template and send out the deals. And what you're going to do is you're going to have, there's literally like thousands of deals all on Facebook. There's probably like 50 a day in some groups that you can just find all these deals that people are just, they're terrible at marketing, basically marketing the deals. They already did all the work. They put in all the marketing money and they went out there and they found the deal and everything. And you can skip all that time. They already did all of that. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people that hit me up all the time. They're just like, hey, Devin, I can't find a buyer. Can you help me out? So the same circumstance just become basically where I am at and have all these people hit you up. Hey, I can't sell this deal. Do you have a buyer? And just tell everybody that you have a huge pool of cash buyers. You can flip properties for people. If they come across a deeply discounted property and the numbers work, then you can do like a 50-50 split. Or if you're a little greedy, you can do like a 60-40 or 70-30. Just be like, hey, I'm putting in a lot of work. It's really up to you, honestly, on what you want to make and how good you can find buyers. And so what you're going to do is you're going to push out these deals, and you're going to have all these buyers hit you up, and then basically you're going to do like a JV contract and basically sign it with the other wholesaler, and from there you're going to pass them on the buyer and make all the money. So it's super simple, super easy. This is a quick way to easily just cheat the business and find all of these buyers and everything and do a lot of deals. And so this is like the lazy man's way of real estate wholesaling, to be honest. All you have to do, have a computer, have a phone, and that's it. Basically, you just got to put in the work and go on social media all day. That's simple as that. Also, another way, just give you guys a bonus tip for those of you that stuck around to this point, is you can go on Craigslist and actually just post different ads, just saying, hey, like you can do, there's a couple different options. You can do ghost ads, which are a little bit frowned upon, but they're the most effective of finding buyers. Basically, what you do is you post like, let's say you find some random house in the area, you like 123 Main Street, and what you do is you say, hey, I'm selling 123 Main Street. You have no correlation with it at all. Basically, you're lying, but it's very effective. I'm not recommending this, but it's very effective, so take it as you want. Anyways, post it inside there, maybe say, hey, it needs like, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, it needs some new carpet and paint, and I need to sell it quickly, looking for cash deals and trying to sell it for cash. And investors are going to blow up your phone, basically. And then what you're going to do is just send them, oh, the property already sold. And then what you're going to do is then you're just going to add them to your list and just do this everywhere. And oh my gosh, your phone's going to nonstop ringing with all these cash buyers hitting you up, crazy amounts. And basically you can see all this money just come right on in. And then from there, what you're going to do is basically just like I said with the deals, you find wholesalers and flip them the deals. Another opportunity as well on Craigslist is you can just do a posting, hey, I'm a wholesaler, I come across deeply discounted properties. This is a more moral way of doing it. Like I said, it's not going to be as effective, but you can do it if you want to stick to this way, and basically post inside of all these different groups and just do like housing wanted, or do it in the housing for sale and just post, say, hey, I come across deeply discounted properties, you want to join my mailing list. And then what you do is you just add them all to your mailing list, and same situation goes for it as well. But basically, you can use the online, the internet as your resource and build up these cash buyers lists very quickly. It's like, honestly, cash buyers, they come a dime a dozen. And most people, I tell them, like, hey, you need to have 100 to 150 cash buyers before you do a deal. And so that way you don't have to find these people, like, basically what I'm telling you, just do the assignment, the buyer side. You don't have to find these people that are doing that. You can do it all yourself. You can find the deal and then make all the money. But everybody's like, oh my gosh, 100 cash buyers? That's insane. I can barely find 2. And basically, once you figure out how to do it right, they just start flooding in. It's insane. So this is like a good video for whether you are doing the whole wholesaling side of things, or if you're trying to cheat the system. Like I'm preaching to you guys, just go out there and build a huge cash buyers list, and you can make a lot of money. So go out there, just take action on this. It's very simple. And just implement it immediately and build up your cash buyers list. As the person with the most cash buyers wins in this game. That's why if you want to do the lazy cheating way, which it's not really cheating, it's just the side of the business that nobody puts a lot of emphasis on, which is the most important, then there's a lot of money, there's a lot of margins to make inside of it. So there's a lot of people, there's a lot of wholesalers that have deals that are having trouble getting rid of it. A lot of them. Well, I see them like complain all the time. They have trouble getting rid of them. So what you got to do is just leverage that and spend all of your time trying to find the buyers, be the deal guy, and you'll just see all this money flooding in from all these different markets all over the country, and you don't just have to rely on doing real estate inside of your own market. You can do it all virtually, all on your computer. You don't have to really have any overhead or anything. All you have to do is just have a database. Super simple. Like, you don't have to spend money on marketing. You don't have to spend money on hosting CRMs. You don't have to spend money on these call systems or anything like that. All you have to do is just build a huge cash buyers list. I see a lot of people making a lot of money doing this, and there's only like, I wouldn't say a lot of people. I would say it's a very few amount of people that actually get the bigger picture, and understand that there's so many people out there looking for deals. But once you start doing it, that's where you just start making money. And so there's, like, I'm not going to name any names, but there's this one guy inside of I'm in like 20 different real estate wholesaling groups. And I notice him. He posts like all the time, hey, do you have any deals? Send it to me or whatnot. And it's just like, it's annoying how he words it. I won't name any names, like I said, but basically post it everywhere. But man, I imagine this guy makes a lot of money because everybody hits him up. Basically, he's became like almost a go-to guy on Facebook for if you have a deal. So basically become one of these guys and become the guy to go to if you come across a property that you can't get rid of. Hit up this guy. So become that person and you will make a lot of money. It's super easy, super simple. You don't have to spend any money whatsoever to do it, and it just takes your own time, money, energy, or no money. I don't know what I'm saying, man. I don't know what to speak sometimes. My bad, it's late. Anyways, thank you guys all for watching today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys like today's video, join the fam, join the game by hitting the nice looking subscribe button down below. Also, if you guys like today's video, please drop a like. Highly appreciate it. And so, like always, I'm uploading every day. Massive value, fire content, I think I said at the beginning as well. I need to quit trying to be funny. I'll suck at it. Anyways, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.